Can you tell us a little bit about what Investeq Capital has been up to, say, in the last financial year, in terms of some of the goals and the milestones that you've achieved?
Well, in terms of the goals and milestones that we've achieved, I personally remember the fact that we have been the SME of the Year. We've been awarded 4 different awards during last year, one of which is the SME of the Year. The other one is, the financial best practice financial services company. We've also been awarded, customer orientation. We've also been awarded strategy management winner, basically across SMEs in Kenya, and we're excited about that. One of the other things that we find that particularly last year has been a good thing for us is the confidence that the banks, particularly the financial partners that we work with, have picked up in Investeq, growing our funding base. I think beginning of last year we were somewhere around 600 million shillings, and we were closing somewhere close to 1 billion shillings. And that's really a show of confidence in terms of the things that we're doing and that we're able to do for our clients.
Excellent. What's your outlook for the SME sector in Kenya?
First of all, I think that the SME sector in Kenya is the primary driver of the economy. Statistics from the Kenya Bureau of Statistics have it that at least 80% of new jobs that were created last year were created by the SME sector, which means that if you ignore the SME sector, you basically ignore growth and productivity. So what we've done is to focus on that particular sector, because we believe that if they are not financially serviced, then the economic growth is tampered with. Now, what we have done, therefore, is to cover a need that is not otherwise covered by the mainstream banking institutions, and we find that the opportunity for that particular sector is very, very, very high.
Excellent. So you've achieved all these milestones, you've achieved certainly certain accolades. What is in the near-term future for Investeq Capital and the long-term future?
In the near term, we are focused at growing our regional presence. We would like to have a lot more outlets within the country. We would also like to have some outlets within the regional countries, particularly in the East African community. We believe that access to finance is a problem, particularly for the SMEs in the regional markets. In the long term, we believe that the same problem occurs across the continent. And so we are keen, as per our vision, to get into the African market, and not just the regional market, and provide the same service, because we feel that the gap for financing, particularly at the SME level, continues to exist, and will continue to exist for as long as the banking fraternity is not engaging with that particular market.
Mr. Dan Awendo, thank you very much.